In the previous lecture, we studied the mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median in the form of group data and ungrouped data. Now today the topic is variance and standard deviation. जैसे कि पहले लेक्चर में हमने मीन पढ़ा था, फिर मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीन पढ़ा, फिर मीडियन पढ़ा और फिर मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीडियन पढ़ा। आज का टॉपिक है वेरिएंस एंड स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन। समस्या ये आ रही थी कि मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीन एंड मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीडियन में जब कैलकुलेशन कर रहे थे तो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू प्रिसाइज वैल्यू नहीं आ रही थी, एग्जैक्ट सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी नहीं आ रही थी। तो उसी को सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी में लाने के लिए एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू निकालने के लिए हमने वेरिएंस देखना शुरू किया। ये हमारे जो कैलकुलेशंस हो रहे हैं उसमें कितने वेरिएंस हो रहे हैं, यानी कि वेरी डाटा हमारा कितना कर रहा है, उसी को एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू निकालने के लिए आज हम वेरिएंस पढ़ेंगे और उसी वेरिएंस के माध्यम से अपने डाटा का एनालिसिस करेंगे और उसमें जितना भी वेरिएशन हो रहा है उसको स्टडी करेंगे। And variance is mean of the square of the deviation from the mean is called variance and it is denoted by रो स्क्वायर। इसको सिग्मा स्क्वायर भी बोलते हैं, जगह रो भी बोलते हैं, सिग्मा स्क्वायर and for ungrouped data variance of an observation that is x1, x2, x3, xn are summation xi minus mean whole square upon number of observation, that is n, and this is the variance of the observation. And standard deviation is square root of variance. It is square root of variance is known as standard deviation. And standard deviation is equal to under root sigma square, and this is root of summation xi minus mean whole square upon n, number of observations where capital N denote number of observations and x bar is mean of the observation are given after this. Given data okay, note down all of these. For group data, for group data, variance is equal to summation fi xi minus mean का square upon summation fi, where fi are respective frequencies with respect to observation x1 x2 x3 x7. Okay, variance is equal to summation fi xi minus mean का square upon summation fi, where fi are the respective frequencies with respect to the observation x1 x2 x3 up to x7. Okay, now standard deviation. Standard deviation for group data, standard deviation for group data SD is equal to under root variance, and this is equal to under root summation fi xi minus mean का square upon sigma fi. This is the standard deviation of the group data. Okay, note down all of you, and some example of the variance are example for a group data 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This data is ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. First of all, we calculate the mean of this data. Okay, mean, that is sum of all observation total number of observation, and therefore this is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 upon number of observation, that is n. And here n is 1 2 3 4 5, that is 5. Number of observation is 5, and therefore this 5 and 1 6 4 10, and this is 15 upon 5, and this is 3. Mean is equal to 3. X bar, that is 3. And variance is, or variance, first of all calculate xi minus x bar. Here this is xi, that is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, now next column is xi minus mean, and therefore xi minus mean, and this is 1 minus mean is 3, 1 minus 3, that is 2. In the sign with sign, that is minus 2. Okay, and 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, and this is 3 minus 3, and this is 0. 4 minus 3, that is 1. 5 minus 3, and this is 2. Okay, and now third column is xi minus mean square, and this is minus 2 square, that is 4. Minus 2 square is equal to 4, and minus 1 square is equal to 1. 0 square, that is 0. 1 square, this is 1, and 2 square, that is 4. Summation of xi minus mean whole square, that is summation of xi minus mean square, and this is 4 and 1 5, and 4 and 1 5, that is 10. And variance of the data. Variance that is formula of the variance. This is summation xi minus mean square upon total number of observation, and the summation of xi minus mean whole square, that is 10, and this is 10 upon number of observation, that is n, that is 5, and the variance is 2. Variance is 2. Now standard deviation. Standard deviation, that is under root variance. Now under root 2. This is standard deviation of the given data, and this is your variance, and this is your standard deviation. Okay, note down how to calculate the ungrouped data, variance and standard deviation. One example is for the group data. Okay, next example for group data, the variance we will study in next class. Okay.